Hi there, and welcome to Shaker Ridge Country Club's Thirsty Thursdays. I'm Krysta Dennis, and I will be showing you how to make the Azalea cocktail. The Azalea is associated with the Masters at Augusta, and you know, it's the azaleas are the flowers that bloom all over the course during the tournament. They are poisonous, which makes it kind of a strange thing to name a cocktail after, but I guess it's the color. Okay, so you get your cocktail shaker, and you're going to put 1 ounce of lemon juice in there. Fresh lemon juice is much better. So squeeze them on site. And then we're going to do 2 ounces of pineapple juice. There we go. And then I have this lovely Blue Line gin that they make in the Adirondacks. It's kind of a menthol-y gin. It's really nice and well suited to this cocktail, although I don't think you can go wrong. And we're going to do 1.5 ounces of gin, and we're going to add that. And next, we're just going to take our grenadine and do just a dash. It's just for the color and a tiny bit of flavor. So we'll do about that much. And next, oops, don't want grenadine everywhere. We're going to put it in our shaker and shake. All right. Now, we're going to strain it into a nice tall glass. And garnish with lemon. Very refreshing.